Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to tan s. Later that we do first derivative for the both sides. We have du equals to secant of s squared ds. Next, we need to change the bounds. When s equal to number 0, so we put number 0 cone here to find the value of u. So u equals to number 0 when s equals to b over 4. So I will put b over 4 gone here, and we got about u equals to number 1. So this one we change by number 1. This one we change by u. This one with the s we change by the u. The integration of this one, we will have about arc side of u. And we put the bounds from 0 to number 1. And now we have the final answer. And this one we will have about b over 2. This is the end. Thank you for watching.